On this occasion of World Book Day, I want to share with you my selection of 6 best books on sales. I start with Jeffrey Gitomer's Sales Bible. This book gives you 10 commandments of sales, which I think you must read and check it out. My next one is this book called Biology. It's not about biology, it's science, but it talks about the logic of buying. This book by Martin Lindstrom is a masterpiece which helps you peep into the minds of the customer. And my all-time favorite, Mr. Jig Jigler, Secrets of Closing a Sale, a must-read for all salespeople. It talks about different techniques of closing. Sell Like Crazy by Sabri Subi, a very important book for all of you who are struggling with your digital marketing. Check this out and you will know how to leverage your digital sales. Sales EQ by Jeff Blount. Sales EQ, how you leverage on emotional quotient of your customers to maximize your sales. And the 6th one is Stop Selling and Start Leading. Yes, my friends, this book by James Causes and Barry Posner teaches you how to be a sales leader. I'm sure by the time you've read the 6 books, you would have your ears bigger in size as far as sales is concerned.